I'm so happy it came out very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, this other way. Oh yeah.
Je fais une chute depuis longtemps. Baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. Je fais une chute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an install on a Chinese. No, I'm just kidding. She's half Chinese, by the way. So today I'll just show you guys all the steps, how many steps you need to get a melt down. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In this channel we do all things wig install, live in China and everything. Okay, please like this video, share with your friends and family, and let's get started. So step number 1 is do your cornrows. Step number 2, you have to do your ball cap method, which I will leave the link up in this card. And then step number 3, you have to put your foundation under your lace. Step number 4, you have to put on the wig and adjust it according to your hairline. Step number 5, you have to put 3 layers of glue, or any amount of layers you want. You can put 3 layers of glue and then let it dry. Step 6, you have to lay the wig cap on where you place the glue, and then make sure you press it very well, and then you cut the extra lace around her ear and around her forehead in a zigzag manner. Step 7, take out baby hair, spray hairspray, and you tie your headband. Step 8, you straighten your hair strand to strand. Correct your mistake by spraying. If you need to do the hair spray on your lace, you do it. If you don't need it, you can leave it like that, because not all laces have issues. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end result, and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload videos like this. Thanks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.